So guys, my dad bought me new shoes. It's called Jayson Tatum. Thank you, Tatay. Let's unbox it now. Now that it is unboxed, I am so excited to open this up. Hey, I'm a baby in the big car.
Tapos alis-ali nag-open si Kuya.
Revealing 3, 2, 1.
Ayan, nasa harap mo.
2, 1.
Dati man, ano sabi mo kay tatay? Dito dali.
Thank you, Tatay. Uy, may comics pa. Red, step fly, step down, slide in, go! You just stretch your laces and you're clean for takeoff. Thank you, Tatay, for the shoes.
Ano name na shoes na yan?
Jayson Tatum. This is the gift from my Tatay because of my recognition. This is the side. This is the front. Did you play this game?
Ano yung basa?
Hindi, it's design.
Wow, ganda.
Look at the insoles. Wait, what? Guys, we got the shoes on. Now, first, we got to see the spike test.
Ano?